Welcome to the ongoing series of Blogistic Theme customization. Let us turn to the customization of Blog Archive section. Go to Blog Archives, General Settings. There are 6 available archive layouts to you. This is layout 6. Determine the number of columns. There are 4 sidebar layouts. You can select archive layout with right sidebar, left sidebar, both sidebar, or no sidebar. You can show or hide social share. Select the alignment of elements. Determine excerpt length. Show post category, post date. Select date icon. I'm going to hide comments number. Select the appropriate image size. Image ratio. Solid border type. Select color. Determine border thickness. Let us remove border for now. In Design tab, select inner background color, border radius, edit box shadow, you can put border bottom. In post title, I'm going to select Laura font family, medium, italic, reducing font size, increasing line height. In excerpt, I'm going to select Open Sans font family, medium font weight. There are 600 plus Google fonts in our Pro version of Blogistic theme. Same Open Sans for category. Uppercase letters. Let's increase letter spacing a little bit. In author, same Open Sans. Editing font size a little bit. Medium font weight. In read time, Open Sans font family. Same medium font weight. As you can see, the left sidebar is empty. We have to add widgets in the left sidebar to show content. Go to widgets, left sidebar, start adding widgets. There are 11 custom Blogistic widgets. First, I'm going to add category collection widget. Second, I'm going to add post grid widget. You can play around the customizer and choose different layouts and settings that you prefer the most. I will soon be back with a new video. Till then, take care.